You'll need a T30 Torx bit, a pry bar for some of the plastic tabs to pull out of the wheel well, side cutters, a step drill, a 10mm socket, as well as a Phillips head. We use a fish tape to route the hose through some of the sections. That's not necessary if you want to use a zip tie or something to pull it through, or a wire hanger. That's just as good. Using a T30, we're going to begin by removing all these Torx screws. Let's connect the tailgate handle by first removing this electrical wiring harness. Pull up on this. Using a 10mm socket, remove the two 10mm nuts. Right there. Once you remove those 10mm nuts, you'll be able to just pull out the entire tailgate handle like this. And this is where we're going to be mounting that nozzle. Using the template that came in your kit, you're going to want to mark this hole and drill it through to 5/16. Once you have it drilled through like this, you'll look in the back. We're going to want to land the nut right here. And so you can take side cutters or these flange cutters like you see here and just snip away at that to get a flat surface to put the nut. So you can see we took away a bunch of that support material. That really isn't critical to this handle whatsoever. That's just for when they make this handle. It's just support material for injection molding. We made a nice landing spot for the nozzle here. This is what it looks like with the nozzle on it. We're going to put a section of hose on this with the check valve. Make sure the check valve is facing in the direction of flow. Put the 10mm nuts back in. There's two of them. Reconnect your wiring harness and reattach the fastener for that. And then your hose is going to be sticking out right here. So when you route the hose from the front, we're going to run it through the tailgate and connect right into your check valve. So this is how we routed it into the front. But right through this brake line grommet, there's plenty enough room to stick the hose through. We used a fish tape to bring it through, but you could probably use like a zip tie, just tie it off to the end and pull it up through. As you bring it through, you're gonna tee right into the OEM wiper fluid line, like you see here. We add in the shut-off valve so you can shut that off in the summer, or you can use it to reduce the pressure going to your nozzle. There you can see the hose is routed out through there, and then down behind this fender liner, it's routed underneath, felt cover underneath. You can take a fish tape, run it right through there and pull the hose back through, route it above this wheel well. Most of that wheel well, the edge comes untucked and you can tuck it right underneath that. So route it right under there, and then it goes along the inside here, inside the bumper. Stay away from the exhaust, which is under there. So this is on this side of the bumper here. It routes up through, and then it pops right through this channel here, and you'll see right where those wires come through.